How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of yellow teeth stains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So how to get rid of yellow teeth stains: use apple cider vinegar. The main ingredient in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid. This acid kills bacteria instantly. Do not use apple cider vinegar every day because it can wear out your tooth enamel. Instead, use it every 3 days or so. This will substantially help whiten your teeth. Eat calcium and phosphorus rich foods. What high acidity foods do your teeth is called demineralization. What high acidity foods do to your teeth is called demineralization. This happens when certain foods lower the natural pH levels in your mouth, which allows plaque bacteria to soften and erode enamel. Broccoli, kale, yogurt, spinach, salmon, and nuts are very high in phosphorus and calcium. Eat these daily except for the salmon. It's not healthy to eat fish every single day because of the mercury levels in them. Most products that whiten your teeth have harmful chemicals in them, so it's very important we choose the right products. So let's go over a few ways. Oil pulling is an old school method. It helps improve oral health and to remove toxins from your body. For this method, all we are going to do is swish around some oil in our mouth. By doing this, we are removing the plaque from our teeth, which causes the yellow staining. Over time, our teeth will become whiter. The type of oil you choose is important. It's recommended to use coconut or sunflower oil. I have used both, and both of them do work. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent. Majority of the whitening products that are on the market have high amount of hydrogen peroxide in them. Be careful about the concentration levels of the peroxide that you use. Heavy concentrations can cause tooth sensitivity and gum irritation. The most common concentration is 3% at most local stores. You can easily dilute this to 1% by mixing 2/3 of water to 1/3 of hydrogen peroxide. Only try this once a week. Doing this too much can wreck your tooth enamel, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.